videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa for the Antigua and Barbuda. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, Antigua is a very popular tourist destination, no doubt. So we are going to see how we can apply for it. Okay. Now on this visa site, you can that there are steps like what you need: email address, travel document, recent digital photograph, supporting documents, and a credit card to pay. Okay, so we are going to go through the process. So if you want to start a new application, you can always click on apply new. This EEV stands for electronic entry visa. So this we can see in 6 tabs. Okay, the first question is, this application is being prepared by another person on my behalf. I select no. So once I click no, these fields got disabled. Now visa type, what you need. E-visa, let's say you want visitor. Okay. Entry type, you want single or multiple. I select single. Intended arrival date, let's say I select April 30. Okay. Purpose of trip, vacation. Okay. Duration of stay, let's say I'm gonna stay there for 25 days. Intended address, provide full address detail. I'm just putting some sample, but do it as per your case. What financial means so just provide correct details. Contact information of person, so some fields are not mandatory, I'm gonna skip them, but if you have, definitely provide them. Contact information of the person in Antigua who you are here to see. So I intend to work in Antigua and Barbuda. I select no. I plan to attend school there. I select no. Request expedite processing. So what is this? Select as if you need expedited processing. So if you do that, a fee would apply. So you can see the processing time. If it is required, you can do. I select no. I click on next. I think I have missed. Single spacing only. Okay. $8,000. Just sample, guys. Letters and characters. So what did I enter that it's not allowing me? Let me click on. Okay, I'll troubleshoot it while I'll pause it. Letters and dash in that field. Once I modified, it accepted. Have you previously been there? I select no, but if you have, we provide the details. If you have been issued a visa to there, I select no. If you have been refused a visa, if you have a visa that is cancelled or revoked, someone else has filed a visa petition on your behalf for you, so provide that information. Do you have immediate family members who are currently in there? So you need to provide information if you select yes. So I'm just clicking no, but if you have, provide information as per your case. Now personal, okay. So the name, first and middle name, nationality if available, contact information, yeah, primary phone, email, home. Let me see, I can copy and paste because I entered on this sample. Yeah, I can. Good. birth information, date of birth. I'm just going to put a sample, guys. City, date, occupation, present occupation. Plus other information also, address and all. So I'm just not doing this because like I told you that is a sample video, but you provide, there's no information. Marital status, I select single, but if you have married, they are going to ask you for the details accordingly. Click on next. Okay, now documents. So passport information they have asked front, and then photograph. Okay, and what are the supporting documents? Birth certificate according to your case, and then you will need to add and provide the information. Then in the next section you can review and you can pay the fee. We have already gone through. So if all things are fine, you can submit the application. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.